Good morning. My dog puked this morning. So I was gonna take my wet Envirocloth and just in case I need it, the mattress cleaner. Because this mattress cleaner does so many more things than just get rid of dust mites and bed bugs and allergens, okay? So I'm gonna take just my wet Enviro. Look at that. Got a little puke chunk there. My dogs like to eat sticks. And then when they eat sticks, this happens. So that got it probably about 99%. But just because this is enzyme based and it'll take out any smell, and I know this doesn't smell, but it probably does for my dog. And then dogs like to come back to their same spot. But usually that's just for pee, and we don't do that. So look at that. Oops, another chunk came out. Do you see how it's pulling up? It pulls up what is in there. So whatever was down in there deep came up. My spot is gone. How great is that? With just water and my Envirocloth and the mattress spray.